geothermal energy. Okay, and then we have started non-renewable also. What is a non-renewable? What is a non-renewable? The energy which does not replenish in short period of time, like fossil fuels, like petroleum, coal, natural gas, petrol, diesel, all these things. Okay, it will. These are the form from the. How does it make? These are the form of from the remaining of dead plants and animals buried under the rock millions of years ago. Okay, now
Ma'am, can I read?
yeah, and we finished crude oil. Okay, but let me just start it with the petroleum crude oil. Okay, let me just read it. The crude is drilled out an oil rig. Oil rig is a large platform created over the water from where crude oil is piped out. LPG, kerosene, and diesel are the produced of crude oil. Okay, so first thing is petroleum. Petroleum is crude oil. It is like a black, thick, okay, substance, liquid. No, not liquid even. You can say it's semi-liquid. Okay, after drilling out from the oil rig. Okay, the machine is known as oil rig. Okay, I'll show the oil rig. Okay, from the oil rig. Okay, when it drilled out, it is like very thick black semi-liquid substance. Okay, from that, after processed oil, sorry, LPG, kerosene, petrol, diesel, then petroleum jelly, then coal tar, all these things are uh, come out. All these things comes out. Okay, they processed, and okay, there are many stages of this process. Okay, so in so after all this process, okay, and the things like petrol, diesel, coal, LPG, kerosene, petroleum jelly, coal tar comes out. Okay, what is coal tar? Coal tar is, the black things when you make, when the road is made, it is used in road, that black oil type thing. Okay, at the end what they do, they mix with the
Yes.
small small stones, and then they layered it. Okay, that is coal tar. Okay,
Yes.
so that is also a petroleum product.
मैम
Okay,
इसे गुजराती में कोलसा जैसा कुछ कहते हैं ना?
हाँ, that is coal. कोलसा उसको coal बोलते हैं. Coal is
यस
also
मैम।
renewable, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उसको खदान में से, मीन्स माइन में से निकलता है coal. Okay, and let me just show you the rig of oil. Okay, this is rig of oil. This is the machinery which is used to drill out the petroleum, sorry, yes, petroleum, crude oil. Okay, it is situated in, look here, it is situated in water. उसके अंदर फिर पानी के अंदर से मशीन डालते हैं नीचे, एंड देन ऐसे हम बोरिंग बनाते हैं, ऐसे बोर बने, बड़े बड़े बोर्स एंड कुएं टाइप बनाते हैं, और उसके अंदर से फिर पाइप आउट करते हैं. Okay, and this is coal mine, कोलसा.
यस मैम।
Now, natural gas, CNG. Nowadays all rickshaws and many cars are running in CNG gases. Okay, आपने सुना होगा CNG गैस वाली रिक्शा है, गैस वाली रिक्शा है, गैस वाली कार है,
यस
right?
मैम।
So this,
मैम सीएनजी वाले फॉरवर्ड।
yes, CNG means compressed natural gas. उसमें से ही वो निकलता है, वो जब निकलता है ना सब चीजें, उसमें से ही. दिस इज अ also a non-renewable thing. Okay, sources of energy. It is also a non-renewable sources of energy. Okay, yes, I want, who will read? I want.
मैम कैन आई कुलसुम माय टर्न
Okay,
नाउ?
Kulsum, start reading.
Natural gas. It is a gaseous
Gaseous fossil
flow.
fuel.
Glaciers was a full found trapped between layers of rock. CMG compressed natural gas
Is cleaner,
is a clear
cleaner,
full cleaner ma'am, one
fuel,
minute.
cleaner fuel as compared.
Cunel fuel as compared to petrol and diesel
When you
petrol.
use petrol, wait a minute, beta, wait. Let me explain. Okay, when you use petrol and diesel, okay, it makes more pollution. As comparing to the petrol and diesel, CNG is a cleaner, means it is making less pollution. Okay, so it is known as cleaner fuel. Okay, as compared to petrol and diesel. Okay, so when you are using CNG, okay, the vehicle will make less pollution as compared to the vehicle of petrol and diesel. Okay, so it is a gaseous fossil fuel. Okay, उसमें से निकलता है. This is also a non renewable sources of energy. Now coal.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. All. It is a salt for F
it is a
solid
solid fuel.
solid
Fuel.
fuel. Coal is most used as
Fuel.
a
Yes.
fuel for product electric and in
Producing
boil
electricity and
and boilings at factory.
factories. Okay. For coal means colza. Okay. Coal. It is solid fuel. Okay. It is solid. Okay. Coal is mostly used in producing electricity. Okay. So there are big electricity producing plant. Okay. In that, coal is used for producing electricity. And even it is used in boilers at factories. Okay, these coals are used mostly in factories and the fuel produce and used for the producing producing electricity. Now, disadvantages of non-renewable sources of energy.
Of
Yes,
energy.
who will read?
Ma'am, can I
The
marry? Ma'am,
direction
can
of
Okay,
no
Mary.
really sources.
Okay, shut your mouth now. Okay, and shut your microphone. Let Harry start the reading.
yes, ma'am. Degen,
Disadvantage of non-renewable sources of energy.
yes, ma'am. Disadvantage of non-renewable sources of energy. This the disadvantage of non-renewable sources of energy are as follows: limit supply, not
Read it
renewable.
slowly, बेटा. इतना फास्ट स्पीड में रीड ना करो, ठीक है? Because we are not offline. ये ऑनलाइन में थोड़ा आवाज प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Okay, ma'am. Limited supply.
Supply.
Non-renewable sources of energy take millions of years to form and thus cannot be,
From. It is not from. Okay, it is from.
yes ma'am, form and thus cannot be replenished
Replenish.
in, replenished in human time scale. If we continue to use them or at the present rate, we may run out of them and in less than 100 years.
Okay, now limited supply. First disadvantage of non-renewable. Okay, non-renewable कौन से product है? Diesel, petrol, coal, kerosene, LPG, all these things. Okay, are non-renewable. Okay, when we use too much, what will happen? It will finish because it is limited. ओके सो व्हेन यू यूज लिमिटेड थिंग व्हाट विल हैपन इट विल फिनिश ओके अगर आपके पास दो चॉकलेट हो और दो खा जाओ ओके तो क्या हो जाए खत्म हो जाता है ओके सो if we use too much of this non-renewable energy then it will finish because it will take millions of years to form. Okay, बनने में millions of years लगते हैं. Okay, so it cannot be replenished. Replenish means replaced. Okay, replace. Okay, replace. Now, so it cannot be replaced in human time scale. वो हम जितना जीते उसमें तो replace करना impossible है. If we continue to use them in the present rate, we may run out of them in less than 100 of years. Now we are using too much of petrol, diesels, and all these things. Okay, so if we use this in this rate, okay, it will finish in 100, less than 100 of years. Okay, so yes, Muskan. Second point.
Ma'am, can I
Muskan.
marry?
मैरिन ओके फिनिश करो बेटा दूसरे को टर्न आने दो
Oil
ओके
spills, oil spills,
हु
digging
इज
and
रीडिंग
transport.
हु इज
I
रीडिंग
Muskan. Ma'am, Muskan.
ओके
Oil spills,
Ma'am,
digging
Muskan
and
is
transport
reading
of
fast.
वेट अ मिनट सॉरी
oil
Muskan
spills,
is reading fast.
हाँ आई नो
oil
बेटा आई विल से
spills,
ओके
digging and transport of crude oil often
बेटा स्पीड कम करो
results
थोड़ा
in oil. Crude oil often results in oil spills. The oil leaks out from drilling pipes and harms fish and other sea animals.
okay as I have shown you that this is oil rig. Okay, this is oil rig. It is always in between the sea. Okay, so when while drilling this petrol sorry crude oil and everything out, it always leak. Okay, sometimes it leak. Okay, so when it leak it will uh, always spills in water. Okay, sea. And if it spills in sea, what will happen? It is harm to fish and other sea animal because they cannot get the water will the sea water will be polluted, and because of this pollution the fish and the other sea animals will be not able to take pure oxygen and they can die. Okay, so it is also harm to the fish and other sea animals. Now air pollution. Yes, continue. Air pollution.
Yes, ma'am. Air pollution. Burning of fossil fuels gives out gases such as carbon dioxide, which heat up the Earth's atmosphere and also cause air pollution.
Okay, because this is the major problem. Now we are using too much of petrol and all these things. Okay, and the burning of these fuels gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, and this carbon dioxide heats up the earth atmosphere. That's why it causes air pollution also. ओके सो इट इज हीटिंग अवर अर्थ. आपकी दादी को पूछना, अगर आपकी दादी नानी हो ना तो पूछना कि पहले इतनी गर्मी नहीं पड़ती थी, अब इतनी गर्मी क्यों पड़ती है? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ एमिटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ पॉइजनस गैसेस. ओके, इसीलिए अभी इतनी गर्मी हो रही है. पहले के ज़माने में अगर आप पूछना अपनी दादी से, नानी से, थोड़े जो एज वाले हो उससे कि पहले के ज़माने में कितनी गर्मी पड़ती थी, तो बोलेंगे इतनी तो कभी गर्मी हमने देखी ही नहीं है, क्योंकि और तब इतना लेस पोल्यूशन था. अब इतना पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा हो गया है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पोल्यूशन इट इज हीटिंग अप द अर्थ एटमोसफियर एंड इट इज so we are feeling lots hot in summer and also causes the air pollution. Okay, so there are three disadvantages. First is limited supply, second is oil spilling, third is air pollution. Okay, of which limited supply means it is taking lots millions of years to form. Okay, and it is impossible to replace in human time scale. So if we use, okay, in this rate, It will finish in less than 100 years. So the supply of renewable sources are very limited. So we need to use it very carefully. Second point, oil spill. Okay, when at the time of digging out, okay, digging out this oil, okay, what have the oil leaks from the pipes, and it will harm to the fish and other animal because it pollutes the sea water. So because of the pollution of sea polluted of sea water, the fish and other animal can't breathe, and it will not and this animal will not get the pure oxygen, so they can die. Now the third and important point is air pollution. Because of using too much of non-renewable energy, air pollution is getting at the peak point. For, because earth because the burning gives a carbon dioxide, and it is heating up the atmosphere, and it is also causing a pollution. Now, forms of energy. There are different forms of energy. Some are mentioned below. Okay, there are many different type forms of energy, but here we will learn only few. Is heat energy, light energy, mechanical energy, sound energy, and electric energy. Okay, energy like heat energy, light energy, mechanical energy, and sound energy. Sorry, sound energy and electric energy. Okay, only one, two, three, four, and five types of energy. Before starting this form of energy, let me show you a video regarding to the form of energy. There is a very nice video, animated video, so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. There are lots of captions, and okay, so you read it. Okay, you can't hear this voice. I'll put my voice, but you need to read this captions. Okay, while seeing this video. Okay, which is easier, lifting a heavy suitcase by its handle or pulling a trolley? Which one is easy? Pulling or lifting? Pulling, yes.
Pulling a trolley.
Yes, it will use less energy. If will lift, it will need you will need more energy. Okay, cars and vehicles are non-living things, but they require energy to move. Energy is the most important thing. Okay. छोटा काम लेने लेकर बड़े काम तक एनर्जी हमको चाहिए. छोटा काम यानी कपड़े ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स ड्राइंग टू sending an astronaut to space. Every work needs energy. So any kind of action to take place, ये छोटे से छोटा काम करने के लिए हमको एनर्जी चाहिए. अगर बैठे बैठे हमको बोलना है तो भी हमको एनर्जी चाहिए. अगर देखना है तो भी हमें एनर्जी चाहिए. Breathing, for breathing also, or blinking eyelid, you also need energy. Okay, so energy can be created nor destroyed. Hmm. Energy will only change from one kind to another. Okay, the chemical. Okay, the energy. The food is having energy. Okay, when we eat the food, it transform from food to human's body. Okay, so the chemical energy will be converted into the muscular energy. And we need we need energy in walking, running, climbing up and down. Okay. Okay, when this bulb is connected with the cell, what will happen? The electric energy will convert into the light energy. Okay, here it is converting. Okay, so for forms of energy is converting. It can be neither so created nor destroyed. Okay, एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज होती रहती है. Now different forms of energy here: heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, and electric energy. First is heat energy. Okay, when anything burnt or heated, when anything is heated or burned, the energy generated is called heat energy. Okay, when anything is heated or burnt, the energy generated is called as heat energy. Okay, in steam engine, the heat energy generated and it will help to move the train. Heat energy also used to cook our food. Okay, so how this car and all vehicles are moving? The fuel is okay. There are lots of machines inside. Okay, because of this fuel, it is heating up the parts of the fuel is generating heat energy. Okay, because of this heat energy, the cars and vehicles move. Source petrol, coal, wood, LPG, and CNG. All are the sources of heat energy. Light energy. Okay, now light energy is energy that produced with the sources of light. Light help us to see things around us. Okay, when it is daytime, we can see without any fail. Okay, but at the night, what we need some light. Okay, so light helps us to see things around us, whether it is sunlight or whether it is light from our bulbs and tube lights. Okay, we need some light to see. So sun is the natural sources of energy, and electric bulb, tube light, and oil lamps are the artificial sources of energy. Help us to see at night. Now chemical energy. Okay, the fuels. Okay. Now the fuel on which vehicles run contain Chemical energy. Okay, the fuels on which our vehicle contains chemical energy that converts into mechanical energy when the car or the bus, okay, or vehicle moves. Okay, जो chemical हम डालते हैं पेट्रोल, वो chemical से क्या होता है, कन्वर्ट होके mechanical energy में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है जब वो चलती है बस या कार और कोई भी vehicle. So chemical energy is also present in food. Okay, so that chemical energy when we eat that food, it convert into muscular energy for running, walking, eating, seeing, cooking. We all need energy. Okay, for this, chemical energy will convert into the muscular energy. Now electrical energy. As you all know that electric energy is the form of energy that is used to operate several gadgets and appliances in home, schools, office, and so on. Okay, every is very easy. This is very easy. It is used to operate appliances in home, appliances in school, appliances in office, appliances in kitchen. Okay, and electric gadgets all needs electric energy, electric power. Okay, we all are used to of this energy. Okay, so when lightning is happening, okay, बिजली जब गिरती है, okay, बिजली गिरती है तब is also of natural electric energy. It is a form of natural electric energy. Nowadays, train is also used to run like in electric energy. Okay, we are using this electric geysers to heat the water. Now we are getting the light with the help of electric energy. Now we are using this type of appliances which use electric energy, mechanical energy. Okay, machines are creating motion through mechanical energy. Now, electric energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Okay, this appliances, okay, these machines will take electric energy. Okay, and further, this electric energy will convert into the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means energy which is okay, which machines are using. All are the examples of mechanical energy. These appliances make our life convenient and comfortable. पहले के ज़माने में कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे, हाथ से करना पड़ता था, right? But thanks to this, all scientists and inventors, they invented lots of appliances. So because of this, our life is now convenient and comfortable and easy. But this electric energy is using, okay, so they use electric energy and then they convert electric energy into the mechanical energy to work. Okay, now energy used from, okay, solar energy. You all know that what is solar energy, right? Getting from the energy getting, yes, yes,
I also have, and our house also I have solar blades.
yes. Solar geysers and solar electrical panels. Okay, so they are converting so sunlight into the electric energy. Okay, and even the heat of the water. So we can use that hot water for bathing and all. Now that's all are the products of solar energy. Now look, these guys are fitting solar panels in our rooftop. As I'm saying it just now only, that you can see in bungalows that they fitted the rooftop, in a rooftop rooftop पर fit करते हैं this type of panel, and because of this panel the sun's light, okay, the heat of the sun will convert into the electric energy through these solar panels. Cooker. This is solar cooker. This is geothermal energy, water energy. हम सब ये लर्न कर चुके हैं, अब हमारे आगे के लेक्चर्स में। India is the fifth largest producer of electricity from the wind energy. One type to energy changes its form from one type to another. Okay, now when you fill the petrol, okay, that will change into mechanical, for example. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. They give us food. Okay, you can see this induction at your home. Okay, this induction cookers at your home. What is they doing? They are converting heat energy into the electric energy into the heat energy. ये inductions देखे होते हैं ना घर पे, तो घर में वो क्या होता they use electric
Ma'am,
city.
can I
Okay.
say?
Okay, no, it's okay. Will continue now in next step next day. Then you say it. Okay. So, electric energy of the hot plate is converted into the heat energy. Okay. This mechanical energy of waterfall is converted into hydroelectric plant. Okay. Let me just finish this video over here. Okay. And in next lecture we will do a form of energy. Okay. So I will share this link with you guys. Okay. And you can see with and you can hear the sound as much as many times you want. Okay, and you get the proper knowledge regarding to the energy. So till
Okay,
then,
ma'am.
take care and have a nice day. And
Goodbye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
take
Have a
care.
Have a
fantastic
fantastic
day.
day. Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
great
ma'am. Have a
day.
wonderful day. Goodbye, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
great
ma'am. Have
day.
an interesting
Bye
day.
bye.
Bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have
Bye,
a wonderful
ma'am.
day.
Bye, ma'am. Good morning, Zainab, ma'am.
Good morning, Zainab,
Good
ma'am.
morning,